As the system is time invariant, the coefficient matrices A, B, C and D are constants. While the definition of transfer function is based on the assumption of zero initial conditions, x of 0 is equal to 0. Now, applying this to the equation 2a, we get s into x of s is equal to a into x of s plus b into u of s. And this can be rewritten as s into x of s minus a into x of s is equal to b into u of s. Now S is an operator while A is a matrix of order n cross n. Hence, to match the orders of the two terms on the left hand side, multiply S by identity matrix I of the order n cross n. Now the equation is rewritten as S into I minus A into x of s is equal to b into u of s. Pre-multiplying both sides by si minus a the whole inverse, we get the equation as si minus a inverse into si minus a into x of s is equal to si minus a inverse into b into u of s. Now, look into the left hand side. Si minus a the whole inverse into si minus a on multiplying will yield the result as 1. Now the equation is rewritten as x of s is equal to si minus a the whole inverse into b into u of s. Substituting in equation 2b. This is equation 2b. Y of s is equal to c into x of s plus d into u of s. That is, substituting in the output equation, we get y of s is equal to c into si minus a the whole inverse into b into u of s plus d into u of s. Now, take u of s commonly outside. We get c into si minus a the whole inverse into b plus d into u of s. From this, the transfer function is given by Laplace transform of output divided by the Laplace transform of input. Now, if we write it in terms of transfer function, we get y of s divided by u of s is equal to c into si minus a the whole inverse into b plus d. This is equation number 4a. Si minus a the whole inverse is given by adjoint of Si minus A divided by determinant of Si minus A. Now, the transfer function is rewritten as C into adjoint of Si minus A into B divided by determinant of Si minus A plus D. We have to note that the state model of the system is not unique, but the transfer function of the obtained one is unique. It is independent of the method used to express the system in state model form. This concept has to be clearly understood. The state model of the system is not unique, but the transfer function of the obtained one from the state model is always unique. The state model of the system is why it is not unique is at each and every instant of time, the states vary according to the variables considered. But the transfer function what we have designed for the corresponding state model will always be unique. Now, basics of selections of the state variables. In state space modeling of the systems, the choice of state variables is arbitrary. One of the possible choice of state variables is physical variables. Two variables are used in modeling, namely physical variables and phase variables. In addition to phase variables, we have canonical variables also. The examples of physical variables are voltages, current, displacement, velocity, acceleration, pressure, temperature. Phase variables are variables obtained from one of the system variables and its derivatives. Examples: choice of the state variables is generally the output variables. For example, if we take a control system where we want to monitor the temperature of a room, the output will be temperature of the room. The phase variables for this application will be the temperature of the room, which is derivated at an instant of a time. Similarly, we can derive the state variables from the output of the given application. The advantages of physical variables for modeling the state space. The state variable can be utilized for the purpose of feedback. Implementation of design with state variable feedback becomes straightforward. Solution of the state equation gives time variation of the variables which have direct relevance to the physical system. But the limitations or drawbacks of the physical variables is it is difficult in computation of the state model. Generally, if we take the electrical system or the mechanical system, modeling of the state space is done by means of the physical variables. The differential equations governing a system are obtained from a basic model of the system which is developed using the fundamental elements of the system. In abstract sense, the basic model of the electrical system, it can be obtained by using the fundamental elements resistor, capacitor and inductor. Similarly, the basic model of a mechanical system can be obtained by using the three basic elements mass, spring and dashpot. The differential equations governing the system are given by force balance equations. Similarly, the differential equations governing the electrical system are given by current voltage relationship. So, the physical variables are used in the modeling of state space for real-time applications. It is easy to measure, observe and control rather than going for the phase variables or canonical variables. These are the advantages of the phase variables for modeling the state space. The state space model can be directly formed by the inspection from differential equations governing the system. The phase variables provides a link between the transfer function design approach and time domain approach. The limitations and drawbacks of the phase variables are they are not available for the measurement and control purpose. Even though it is easy to compute, it is not available for measurement and control purpose. There are three methods for computation of the phase variables. One is called as the Bush form or the companion form, and second method is employing the Mason's gain formula, and third method will be incorporating the state equations and finding out the transfer function method, taking the inverse Laplace transform and finding out the state model finally. Depending upon the application, one can choose either the state variables as physical variables or phase variables. The choice of the state variables, it depends on the application and designer's choice. Again, we need to remember that state model is not a unique property. Any linear combination of the original set of state variables results into a valid new set of state variables. But the transfer function derived for the set of state variables is always unique.